from Malaysia.
I'm from Malaysia, but I am Indian. Both of you are Nihonjin, huh?
Nihonjin.
Okay.
So, I mean, you are working in Singapore already.
Yes, I am for the past 30 years
Are you working
as
as
a security officer.
security officer?
Yes.
So, actually, your hometown is not Dixon.
My hometown Dixon, but I settled down in Johor Bahru now. I bought a property, home, everything in Johor Bahru. It's
So, your
about,
family are in Johor Bahru?
yes, correct.
Oh. So, because of the COVID, you have to stay in Singapore.
Singapore. The last I went back was March 18.
March 18.
Yes.
Wow,
4 weeks.
almost 9 months. So, you
Almost.
cannot go back at all.
We do go back can. Now we got permission from both government. Malaysia, Singapore, we call it PSC, PNC, or PCN.
So, have you go back?
No, not yet, because my turn is unavailable. My turn will come on February or March.
February of next year.
Next year, yes. Because all my colleagues have applied for that. They got it
So, you work Singapore for 30 years already.
almost.
So, every day you travel back.
Every day without fail.
So, you work the day shift or night shift?
I do both. Day shift, night shift, both.
So, you need to drive back.
Yes,
from back.
I have a motorcycle.
So, you bought a house. How big is the house?
It's a 3-room flat. 3-room house, terrace house.
Terrace house.
In Malaysia, it's a long terrace house. 3 rooms. When I bought it, I was very lucky. 15 years ago, 100,000
Sing dollar or ringgit?
RM, Malaysia ringgit.
Oh, so cheap. 159,000.
159 ringgit at that time.
So, now how much the house was?
Now it's about 400 to 500.
Wow.
Yeah, it's gone up.
So, your children all grown up?
Corona, my daughter is she's a pharmacy working in Penang. She's working in Penang, and my son now doing mechanical engineering. I'm okay.
So, you're like, work for like retirement?
Retirement. I'm looking forward for retirement.
For 7 months, you never go back to Malaysia.
No.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, I do. But I do. No.
Then now you stay here.
I got a place called in Woodlands, HDB flat.
Actually,
3 of us sharing together.
that one the company pay for you.
Right now they pay until December 23rd, company pay. After 23rd December, we pay our own. We pay our own.
So, 3 persons share one room.
3
But is the owner stay there or no?
Yeah, we the owner. Owner and the family. Owner one and the son is another room. 3-room bedroom, 3-room flat.
Not big family.
No, it's a 3. Yeah, okay. All approved by MOM because we still have to get our address to our company.
How much is the rental?
I don't know how much, but I just heard it's about 900 rupees.
900 for one room.
One room, 3% sharing.
Person sharing.
Still cheaper.
First room is private.
Yes. It's not attached.
Not attached.
All common. If you get master bedroom, you got everything
More
inside.
expensive. Master bedroom is much
More expensive. Okay, we are happy now. As long as we got place to sleep.
You got a roof.
Yes, that's true.
Some people sleep at the roadside.
The best part is our company provides us.
Because you work there so many years.
Life is like that.
Never ask for more.
They are providing us good, and the best part is, look at SIA, taking ground.
Yeah, now they want to be work room.
The pilot, send food, Grab driver. You know, even in Malaysia, Brunei Airlines same, but retrenchment. So for shipyard, we are the best. Still
Malaysia Airlines, the pilot go to sell mee rebus.
true.
With
You
the uniform.
heard the story, huh? Yeah. Because you got to survive. They used to take pay 15K, 20K. Now,
So they overspend, now they have to.
so our shipyard, we are still lucky. Very lucky. Among shipyard.
So you know all about it. I mean, you are born in Malaysia,
Malaysia,
not
yes.
originated from India, right?
No. My parents both from India. long time they migrated to Malaysia, and we are the first generation. So we are, I will say, lucky.
Why lucky?
If you were born in Malaysia, in Singapore, India, you will be seeing us on Sunday. Correct. If it's like that, it's true. But we are born in Malaysia, our education system is good, everything is still good. We can buy a house, we can stay better. Education, that's why we can come to Singapore and go.
Do you own the house in Port Eastern or only Johor?
I used to have a house in Johor. My parents all be sold and we migrated to Johor. Because I'm saying I work in Singapore. So that money I used to buy in property in Johor. Yeah, Johor.
But I think Malaysia property is a lot of developers do halfway and they run away.
Lord.
They cannot make it.
That's why I say when you buy a property in Malaysia, ensure that you buy from the real
Real estate.
actually like Satya Group. I'm lucky I bought from them because they are big timers, very big.
Some hit and run on they
A
are
lot
not good.
happened. Even my brother property, it was hit and run in Selangor State.
They collect money already, they run.
Halfway they
They
stopped it.
abandon.
Abandoned. It's true.
So when you buy the property, must make sure the developer is a good name one.
Name?
So compare now, the standard of living in Malaysia and Singapore, is it a lot different?
Johor. Don't say about Malaysia. Johor is very expensive. They are similar to Singapore.
Right, quite similar.
Quite similar. Penang, Kuala Lumpur, Johor is similar to Johor. But if you travel about 1 hour after Johor, it's still cheaper.
But Johor, I find it's not cheap.
Expensive. If you go Sentosa, alamak, expensive. But a lot of Singaporeans like to go there.
Sentosa, right?
Sentosa and all, they love to go there. I don't go there because it's too expensive.
Every day you go back from the custom to, okay, from the office to the custom is how long?
By right, the journey is only half an hour.
But then from the custom, motorbike is faster. But car, from the custom to your house is another 1 hour.
Because it's a jam. No. Now in Johor Bahru, the road all are 3 lane, expressway. It only take us from my house to custom is only 15 minutes.
So fast.
Yeah, 1.5. And from my custom to my workplace, another 10 minutes only.
So it's almost like from
Half an hour.
East Coast to Jurong.
Yeah, very close. But because of the custom jam, 1 hour.
So they will open. If not, the Johor economy will be very bad.
We need Singapore dollar to go in. Yeah.
You need us to go and do that.
Yes, correct. Do you know what's happening in City Square now? 3/4 is closed.
Sure.
Yeah. 3/4 of the city.
Because Malaysia will not come to Singapore, they are stuck here. And Singaporeans are stuck here. So nobody spend money.
We need more Singaporeans to go there to spend more money. So now it's actually here better lah. They really have
I
control.
think Johor is a bit dangerous. Now they say top of the
Great area. What?
red area. Johor, yes. Yes.
The school are closed for 2 weeks. Other states they never close, but Johor they close for 2 weeks.
Johor is worse.
So your salary Singapore dollar, but you save money in Malaysia.
Malaysia.
So maybe we earn 3,000, you can bring back 12,000, 9,000.
9 to 10,000 ringgit.
So which bank is the best in Malaysia?
Oh, okay. We go up for the Chinese bank.
Chinese bank.
Chinese means run by local Chinese.
Or
Something like Hong Leong Bank. Because it's Singapore is the Chinese, still Chinese, run by Chinese. Because we don't trust local bank. Malaysia. Maybank is run by UMNO. You know who? It's Malay. 100%. It belongs to the UMNO group. That's why I say, if you have money, most Indians, Malaysian and Chinese, Johorian, they put their money in Singapore bank.
Safer.
They don't put there, they put it here. Investment, for investment long term. But the return is here is good, it's guaranteed. Guaranteed.
Guarantee. You
Big-
worry. You worry about Singapore Bank.
Cannot worry about Singapore, man. Don't worry. Because
I separate.
You scared. So you separate many banks.
so
Nice meeting you.
Nice.
Yeah, thank you very
Meeting
much
and
for your
talking to
time.
you
Thanks,
guys.
Elsa.
And I wish to meet you all. I'll be here every week, most of the time. I'll be in this place and this seat only. Nowhere to go. I like this, I don't know why. But until the gate is open, then I will go. I'll go back.
We won't see you yet. You will see you in Johor.
Okay, thank you very
very
much.
much.
And meet up again. Thank you very much. Don't forget the item.